Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 of the Norfolk and Western Class A 2664. If you missed the part 1 video, go check it out. So, enjoy the part 2 video. Alright, now we're going to put some details on the train. So on top of the cow catcher, you're going to put is black carpet to cover it. And next we're going to use the item frame here, and then put the scene lantern in here. That will be the headlight here. On the front, on top of the boiler, you're going to put a stone button. Will be some side lights. On both sides on the front, you're going to put a dark orange button over here. That will be the builder's plate. And then on the bottom here, you're going to put some details here using dark orange button. And do the same thing the other side. Next we're going to use a stone button and put right here, right beside the second piston here, and put 1, 2, and do the same thing the other side. 1, 2. And then on the back, you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put 1, 2, and then put 1, 2. And do the same thing the other side. Then on the top of the boiler, you're going to put a stone button right here. And then you're going to put 1, 2 here. Next we're going to use a arch fence gate. Will be some safety bells. So we're going to put right here. Next we're going to use a bell. That will be right here. Oh, I almost forgot over here. You're going to put is another brick fence on both sides on the back. And then next we're going to use a ladder. And then next we're going to use black stained glass here. And the other side as well. Oh, before we're going to do some details in the cab, I got one main mistake here. We're going to move the tire wall from the back of the boiler to over here. So we're going to start right here, here, and then go on top here, and then fill one section here. Alright, now we're going to make some details inside a cab. So first we're going to use glowstone, arch trapdoor, item frame, compass, lever, torch, and stone brick stairs. So first we're going to use glowstone. That will be the fire. And next we're going to use the arch trapdoor. Next we're going to use the item frame. And next we're going to use the compass in the item frame. Next we're going to use a lever. On the top of the driver's cab window, you're going to put the lever here. And the same thing the other side. And right beside the lever, you're going to put a torch. And the other side as well. And you're going to put stone brick stairs. Will be some seats. Alright, there you go. Now you made some detailed cab inside. Okay, on the back, you're going to put is stone brick stairs. Right here on the middle, that will be the platform. And then put on both sides there. And now we're going to make some details on both sides on the back using stone button. Alright, now we're done of the locomotive. Now let's do the tender. Okay, so first we're going to use is black concrete. Will be some wheels. So we're going to start right here and skip 1, 2, 3, and then put 1 here, skip 1, put 1 here, skip 1, and put 1 here. Then we're going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then put 1 here, skip 1, put 1 here, skip 1, and put 1 here. And do the same thing the other side. Next we're going to use is nether brick slam to put above of the wheels. And do the same thing the other side. Next we're going to use is stone button to connect the wheels. Next we're going to use is stone bricks. Next we're going to use is black concrete. Next we're going to use is block of redstone in the piston. So first we're going to put the block of redstone in here and put the piston in here. That will be connecting of the tender. And on the back of the tender, you're going to put the block of redstone in here and put the piston in here. That will be a coupling rod. Next, we're going to put is black concrete. So we're going to put 2 on both sides here, and then you're going to stack each other, put 1, 2, 3, 4, and then do the same thing the other side, put 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put on the middle, put 1, 2, 3, and then right behind it you're going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then fill it in on the back. Next we're going to use is nether brick stairs to make a little curve. And then we're going to do on both sides and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks long. And then you go to facing this way like this. And do the same thing the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And facing this way like this. And then you're going to put the black concrete right here, and then we're going to use nether brick slams on both sides here. Okay, now we're going to fill it in here using block of coal. So I'm going to fill right here. Then you're going to put 1, 2, 3, put 1 here, and then put 1 here. Then you're going to put 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to put 1, 2, 3. There you go. On the front of the tender, you're going to put is stone brick stairs. Right here on the middle, that will be the platform. And then we're going to do some sides on both sides. And next we're going to use iron bars. Next, you're going to put the lever here, And then on top the lever you're going to put is stone button right here. And then we're going to mix some details on both sides here. Okay, now we're going to put some details on the tender. So first we're going to use the ladder here. And then we're going to put some stone buttons here. And then over here, you're going to put the item frame here. And I'm going to put a sea lantern in here. That will be the backlight. And then we're going to put another brick fence. And then right behind it, you're going to put iron trapdoor. So you're going to skip one. And then put right here. And group 2 away. And then put 3 right here. Then you're going to skip once and then put dark arch button, put 3. And then skip once and put 2 stone buttons here. And then on the side here, on the front, you're going to put the dark arch button here. And the other side as well. Then on the bottom middle of the tender, you're going to put is nether brick slam right here. And do the same thing the other side. Next we're going to use is Barch Button. Will be the Norfolk and Western name on the cross the tender. So we're going to start right here and skip 1, 2, and you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and skip once. Put 1, 2, 3, skip once, and put 1, 2, 3, 4. And do the same thing the other side. Skip 1, 2, and then put 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip once and put 1, 2, 3. Skip once and put 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to put these 2 last ones on the train is these 2 signs. We're going to start on the headlight here using dark arch sign. And then one in the middle on the front of the boiler. Number is 1218 you could put, or just leave it blank. And then on the side here, you're going to put 1 and 2. That will be not the number plates, that will be some details. And then do the same thing the other side. 1, 2. Then on the back here, you're going to skip 1, 2, 3, and then put 1 here. And do the same thing the other side. Next we're going to use is Barch sign. And we're going to put on both sides of the cab. That will be the number plate. And do the same thing the other side. And we're going to put these 2 signs on the back of the tender. Okay, we're finished. And I think that's about it, how to build the Norfolk and Western Class A 2664. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure to give me a like and subscribe. And you hope you enjoyed the Will Trains videos, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.